Good afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon, everyone. You can have a seat. Thank you. All right, my name is 𝗗𝗲𝗞𝗹𝗯. I'm the presiding judge for this afternoon's first appearance calendar. You are here because you've been charged with misdemeanor traffic offenses. Because they are misdemeanor offenses, you are entitled to bond. The bond amount will depend on what your charges are, as well as your driver's history. Just so you are aware, this calendar is being recorded, so please do not discuss the facts of your case with me. All I will do is when I call your case is to let you know what the bond amount will be, as well as and if you have a court date, we will let you know your court date. Many of the cases do not have a court date yet because they are offenses that like DUI has to be accused, so you do not have a court date yet for those cases, but some of them will have court dates, okay? So I'll call your cases and then I'll let you know what your charges will be and your bond amounts. Jamil Starks. All right, good afternoon, Mr. Starks. You can unmute the microphone, please, Deputy. All right, thank you.
Good afternoon.
All right, sir. You are cited for driving without a seat belt. I understand that you've been in custody since the 10th. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have a hold from another jurisdiction?
Fulton County.
Fulton County. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a UJR, which is the same thing as a signature bond. So you should be released from DeKalb County this afternoon, and Fulton County will come pick you up. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any questions, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So I'm not sure. Let me see if you have a court date yet. Yeah, your court date is December 16th at 9 a.m. at the DeKalb County Courthouse. The traffic court is at 3630 Camp Circle. That information will be on the bond sheet that you are given once you leave DeKalb County. And to everyone, please make sure that you give the jail your address, your phone number, and your email, just in case the court wants to send you notice. They will send the notice to the information that they received from the jail. All right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, sir. You can sit. You can have a seat, sir. Thank you. Dana Lopez. Buenos días, señor. ¿Usted habla inglés o español?
Español.
Ok. Soy el juez que está en cargo de esa audiencia esta tarde. Y esa audiencia es para avisar a usted los tipos de cargos que tienes y cuántos va a ser su fianza. Su fianza se depende de tipo de cargo y también su récord, si tiene el récord de licencia, el récord de manejando, ¿ok? Por favor, antes de salir de la cárcel, después si pagar su fianza, asegura que dale la cárcel su dirección propio con su teléfono y dirección porque tú no vas a tener ningún fecha de caso, un fecha de su caso ahora o hoy, ¿ok? Ellos van a mandarlo a su última dirección que tenemos pues, de la cárcel. ¿Entiendes eso?
Ok, sí.
¿Ok? So, usted tiene cargos de manejando de DUI, alcohólico. tiene cargo de manejando sin seguros y también manejando con registración suspendido, manejando sin licencia, manejando con un botella de alcohólico en su carro y también ¿cómo se llama? Pasando luz de tráfico controlada. ¿Entiendes esos?
Sí,
¿Ok? So, su fianza para DUI es $1,000. Para registración suspendido es $500. Para detener un botella de alcohol en su carro es $200. Manejando sin licencia es $500. Y pasando el luz rojo o es $100. So, su cargos, todo, su fianza completamente es $2,300. ¿Ok?
ok,
Usted puede pagarlo en cualquier manera, con efectivo o con compañía de fianza. ¿Entiendes?
sí,
¿Ok? Y usted no tiene una fecha um, un fecha de su caso hoy, porque ellos van a mandarlo más tarde a su dirección que usted va a darle el cárcel. ¿Tiene
ok.
cualquier pregunta, señor?
No, no está
Ok.
bien.
All
Ok.
right, gracias. So, what I told him, puede sentar, señor. All right, what I told him is for his DUI citation, is going to be $1,000. Driving on a suspended registration will be $500. No driver's license will be $500. Open container will be $200. And red light violation will be $100. So his total bond amount will be $2,300. Okay? And he does not have a court date yet. He will be sent notice to the address that he provides to the jail upon his release. Right. All right.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes,
What's the bond for the no license?
500.
500. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. All right. The next person I have is 𝗗𝗏𝗄𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
All right, so Mr. Scales, you are charged with DUI and hit and run. Do you understand the charges?
Yes.
Okay, your bond amount for the DUI will be $1,000, and for the hit and run will also be $1,000. So your total bond amount will be $2,000, and you can pay that in cash or bond or what do you call it, bonding company. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you do not have a court date yet because of the DUI and the hit and run. That case will be accused, and they will send notice to the address that you give to the jail. So make sure you give the jail your proper address. Any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, you can have your seat, sir. Thank you. Ricardo Prater.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Mr. Prater.
How are you?
All right, sir. You are cited with one count of DUI, Mr. Prater. Because of your history, your bond will be $2,000 on that citation. All right, sir? All right, so you can pay that in cash, property, or surety, okay? And you do not have a court date yet. Your notice will be sent to the last known address you give to the jail. So please make sure you give them your proper address. Any questions, sir?
Yeah, is it kind of like I do signature bond? Because
It,
all my stuff got locked up in the car my
Yeah,
phone.
it is not a signature. It is not a signature bond, sir. Because of your history, I cannot grant you a signature bond. I don't know if you can reach out to somebody or let the jail know how you want to pay your bond. But if you do not make bond within 48 hours, the jail will release you by operation of law, okay? So unless a warrant is issued for your arrest by the deputy by the officer that arrested you.
Okay, now, as far as like I got my bank card, I know my bank number. So if I want to pay, get them electronically, can I do that? Because I don't have any.
The deputy is who you have to ask that. A judge has no control over what the sheriff's department does. So ask the deputy once you finish what ways you can make your payments, sir. All right?
No problem.
All right,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you. All right. I think that's the end of the calendar. So I'll sign the bond documents shortly and get it back to the jail. All right. Thank you all. Have a great one. Bye-bye.